Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new course from Zenva about Bootstrap 4.0. My name's Mario and we're going to go through the course together. So let's get started by right-clicking and choosing New Folder from the pop-up menu. You always want to create a new folder when you're working on a website project, even a Bootstrap 4 website project. Let's go ahead and name this folder Bootstrap 4 Project, and I'm putting hyphens where the spaces are. On the internet, you can't have spaces. You need to have either underscores or hyphens where the spaces go. Let's open the folder we just created, and we're going to drop in the files that came along with this project. We'll start off with the Font Awesome folder. And I'll open it up so we can see what's inside of it. And inside there's subfolders named CSS, Fonts, LESS, and SCSS. And you get all this stuff from the Font Awesome website. There's two versions of Font Awesome. One is a free version, which you can use with Bootstrap, and that's what we're going to be using. And the other is the paid pro version. So I'll close off this file and let's drop it into our working folder. Next I'll pull over the images folder that's included, and let's open that up. Inside are a bunch of images I got from the website pexels.com. If you go to the Pexels website, you can see it's the best free stock photos in one place. And all you need to do is search for what you're looking for and download it. They're free to use. As we go through our images here, you can see that I've run them through a Photoshop filter to make them look more like paintings. Right here we have the Zenva logo as an SVG file. So we'll close off this folder and drop it into our working folder. Next we have our JS folder, or our JavaScript folder, and if we open that up we can see that we have jQuery easing, and we also have the jQuery file itself. Let's close that up and drop it into our working folder. For this course we're going to be using the open source code editor named Brackets at brackets.io. You can get it there for free. So I'll open up Brackets and then I'll move the interface down. Let's get rid of this Chrome window here. And what I want to do is grab my working folder and drop it into the sidebar inside of Brackets so that our working folders are now inside of Brackets file tree. Then I'll move the Brackets interface back up again and we're ready to go. Alright, go ahead and right click on the sidebar and choose New File, and we'll name this first file index.html. Then we'll right click again, and this time we'll name the file styles.css. This is where all our custom CSS is going to go. And then finally I'll choose New File once more, and we'll name this one zenva.js. And if I pull the interface down, you can see the new files that we've just created are now inside of our working folder. So I'll move the interface back up again. In the next video, we'll go ahead and start adding our boilerplate HTML code. See you then.